Meaning of donation.
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 Donation. Donation refers to the act of giving money, goods, or services to those in need, as a form of charity. The result of donation is usually the provision of support or assistance to individuals or organizations that require it but cannot afford it on their own. Donations can be made to various causes, such as disaster relief efforts, medical research, education, environmental conservation, and social welfare programs. Overall, the purpose of donation is to help improve the lives of others and make a positive impact on society.